Okay, I'm doing question 12 of Winter 14 question paper 3. It's asking for in C20 for you to put in a lookup, use a lookup function to find the type of cycle. So if we look at the spreadsheet, here's the codes and here's the type. So this is where we're going to put in our formula. Okay, if I go back to the question, it says use only the first character, okay, of the item code as a single lookup value. Okay, and we need to use our named range type for the table array. So the first character of the item code, let's look at the spreadsheet again. So this is the item code. It only wants us to use the first character of this. Okay, so that means within our VLOOKUP, we need to use another formula to extract only the first character from the item code. Okay, if we look at the lookup table, which is here, it's vertical, so we know we're using a VLOOKUP. So I'm just going to start the VLOOKUP now. Okay, as normal, but within the lookup value, this is where we need to add in our function, which extracts the first character. So left is the formula we're going to use because that returns the specified number of characters from the start of the text string. String just means a group of characters. This will give us a number of characters from the start. So we tell it that we only want the first character when we write the rest of the formula. So we put left, open our brackets, and text is asking us basically for what cell we want to extract the first character from. So we just click on that, and then it's asking for the number of characters. We want the first character only, so we're just going to write a 1, okay, and then close that formula. So that will give us now our lookup value. So that will return an M rather than the rest of it, just the first character. Now we need to put in our table array, so comma, and we've used the name range here, so we just put in type, and it's here. Column index number is 2, because we want the type of bike. So 2, and then close the formula, and that's it. So what Excel's done is it's extracted the M, okay, from the item code to give us our lookup value. Then it's looked at the table and found that M gives mountain as the type. Okay, so when I copy this down, it's extracted R for roads, M for mountain, H for hybrid, and H for hybrid.